Click on the link below to get price. The House Dehumidifier is a game changer for anyone struggling with humidity in their living spaces. Designed with a focus on quiet operation, this dehumidifier is perfect for use in various settings, including kitchens, bedrooms, and offices. Its sleek design allows it to blend seamlessly into any decor while effectively tackling moisture issues. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its impressive moisture extraction capacity. It can efficiently remove excess moisture from the air, which is particularly beneficial in areas prone to dampness. Whether you're dealing with musty odors in your kitchen or unwanted condensation in your office, this device addresses these problems with ease. Users will appreciate how it creates a more comfortable and healthier living environment, reducing allergens and preventing mold growth. Another highlight is its whisper-quiet operation. Unlike many dehumidifiers that can be noisy and intrusive, this model operates almost silently, making it ideal for use in bedrooms or workspaces where concentration is key. You can run it overnight without disturbing your sleep or during work hours without disrupting your focus. The dehumidifier is also user-friendly, featuring straightforward controls that allow for easy adjustments. It includes an automatic shut-off feature when the water tank is full, preventing overflow and ensuring safety. The tank itself is easy to remove and clean, adding to the overall convenience of maintenance. In terms of energy efficiency, this dehumidifier excels. It consumes less power compared to traditional models, making it a more sustainable choice for long-term use. This not only helps the environment but also keeps your electricity bills in check. Overall, the House Dehumidifier is an excellent investment for anyone seeking to improve air quality in their home or office. Its effective moisture removal, silent operation, and energy efficiency make it a top choice for those serious about maintaining a comfortable and healthy indoor environment.